Hello students, my name is Rohini Raj. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic which is directly related to our lives and not only human beings but also related to plants, animals and other living organisms. So first of all, I want to ask you something. Have you seen these kinds of thing? Yes, it is block, right? So I have few blocks. Now you must think that what we are going to do with this. Okay, so let's play. What you used to do with this? We used to make different structure using these blocks. So suppose I made this straight structure, right? Similarly, cells are building blocks of our body. Isn't it interesting? Cells are very important as due to cell we have different parts of body. Cells are structural and not only structural, it is the smallest structural and functional unit of life. As I showed that how it provides structure to our body. The group of cells is known as tissue and the group of tissue makes organ. So here I'm going to tell you one small interesting story behind it. In 1665, Robert Hooke discovered cell and in 1883, Robert Brown discovered cell structure. Cell structure is literally complex and it has many cell organelles. Cell structure is basically divided in three parts: outermost, inner and innermost. Outermost part has cell wall and cell membrane. Inner is cytoplasm, which is a jelly kind of thing where all the cell organelles are distinct or present. And the innermost is nucleus. Now let me tell you that what are the cell organelles present inside the cytoplasm. Those are nucleolus, nuclear membrane, chromosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, ribosome, mitochondria, lysosome, chloroplast, vacuoles. Now it depends that the cell is either plant or of animal. So the organelles are basically divided accordingly. If it is plant cell, the organelles will different, and if it is animal cell, the organelles will be slightly different, which we will discuss in further classes. So now let's discuss the function of cell. So what are the function of cell? Till here we have understood that cell provides structure. So it gives support, structure of support. Then it helps in growth because cell multiplies and obviously it helps in growth. Transport of nutrients. It also helps in transportation of nutrients and minerals in our body. And it produces energy. As I said that it has organelles, and inside I just told you that it is mitochondria, which we will discuss it further, that mitochondria is actually known as energy house of cell, which provides energy. So here it produce energy also through respiration in animals and photosynthesis in plants. And reproduction, which is obviously a very important and also the most important function of cell. So what we studied today, we have seen cells are the smallest structural and functional unit of life or living organisms. They are also known as building blocks of living organisms that are responsible to carry out various life processes. Cells are of different shapes and sizes, and it vary between plants and animals. And it is also not visible to bare eyes. Of course, we need microscope or electron microscope. And further, we will discuss what are the functions of each and every cell organelles. So class, I hope you have enjoyed the session. We will meet soon in our next session. Take care. Thank you.